Scispace versus Anara AI. So which is the better AI assistants? So first, let's start with Scispace. It is an AI-powered research assistant platform designed to help users navigate academic papers, extract insights, ask questions of PDFs, and search literatures, which generates summaries and assist with writing. So its pros is it supports for interacting with research papers because you can upload the PDFs. It also has a unified workflow. The tool claims to cover both discovery of literature and writing analysis, and it is also useful for students or researchers seeking to digest large volumes of literature more quickly. The cons is though, there are some reliability issues, which some users report that SciSpace misinterprets your content. There are also some credit and usage limitations. Because of the heavy use, it may require the paid tiers. And it is also for deep theory or highly specialized topics only, which may struggle as based on the review of one Reddit user. Now, Anara AI, on the other hand, is an AI research assistant designed to support the whole research workflow: literature, discovery, synthesis, organization, and writing and collaboration. It allows users to search for major academic databases. So the pros is there are some strong database integration. It offers citation transparency, and they have a broad workflow support from literature review to writing collaboration and team-based research management. The cons is though some tools reviewers notes that limitations are in the discovery phase. So finding new papers from the scratch is very theoretical work. And there may be also a steep learning curve and some cost concerns for heavy usage, which is beyond free tiers and can get expensive. And it is also having some features that are with AI research assistants, which is oversight and is required. So overall, if you're choosing between these two, and if your main task is ingesting and understanding lots of technical papers, then I recommend SciSpace. But if your workflow involves discovery, plus synthesis, plus writing, and even collaboration, then I suggest the Anara AI. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.